all of this stuff. Hey, I'm Skip Bedell, and we're here in Orlando at the International Builder Show, and I'm at my favorite place, the Murphy door booth. So come on inside, I'm gonna walk you around and check out some of these cool doors. So you all know the name Murphy with Murphy bed, right? The fold out beds, the fold out of the wall. And by the way, this is a great way to maximize any space in any room, because when you're not using the bed, now that room becomes a workout room or a home office. And when you get done using the bed, you just fold it back up on the wall. So while they're famous for that, I gotta show you the things that I'm really excited about. All the new innovations from Murphy Door. Come on, I'll show you. So Murphy Door is a pre-made unit that you can replace your existing interior door with any door in your house, and allows you to maximize the space of that door. So rather than just having a flat panel on the door, now the door becomes a usable storage unit. Take a look at this one. So here's a spice rack. Go ahead, go for it. Wow, that was perfect. That was like a Vanna White move. You saw that? So you're taking that flat pantry door and you're turning it into a storage shelf in the front with cabinetry. And the best part is behind that now is kind of hidden. Everybody loves to have a hidden room, a hidden space. Guys want to have their man cave, maybe some cool stuff. So let me show you one of my other favorites. Check this out. This is super cool. Have you seen this? I gotta show you. Yeah, let me show you this. So full length mirror. Everybody loves to have it in their bedroom, right? So behind this mirror, which of course now is hiding your door, say a closet in your bedroom, you take that door out, you slide this right in. So now you've concealed what's behind there. There's a closet behind it, but you also have locking storage space back there behind your closet door. So this particular one has a locking cabinet. You could also incorporate a shoe rack. Let's say for the ladies, put all your shoes back there behind the door, or even a clothes hamper. So it's a great way to take that was once just a plain flat door, and you're maximizing that storage space. The space underneath your stairs is like dead space, right? So now you can access that space, put a hidden door, great place to store things, hide things when you're away. A lot of people actually are using these in their kids' room too. So you take the kids' closet door and you turn it into like a little hidden play space for them. So they have a closet door, but at the same time, it's their own little private play space back behind there. So great, if you have a billiards room, your cue rack now becomes your hidden closet door. So really amazing innovations from Murphy. You check out their website, murphydoor.com. It's unbelievable, the combinations of different door styles, finishes. It's just endless. They even make custom doors. So go and check them out. You're gonna love it.